হাই ভিউয়ার্স, আমরা আসছি আজকে ব্রাহ্মণবাড়িয়া বাঞ্ছারামপুর থানা SF ফ্লুইডস একাডেমিতে। সেখানে আমার সাথে রয়েছে মাহাদি হাসান আলফি। আজকে কথা হবে আলফির সাথে ইনশাআল্লাহ, স্পোকেন, তাই না? ওকে ওকে।
Good morning.
Morning.
Hi.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm fine and you?
I'm fine. What's your name?
My name is Sandra Sudel.
My name is Rifat Hossain. What's your father name?
My mother name is Srivat Hussain. Also Madam.
My father name is Hussain Mia. What's your mother name?
My mother name is Surya Akhtar. Also Madam.
My mother name is Amana Khatun. What's your village name?
My village name is Aipur. Also village name.
My village name is Aipur. What's your Upajala name?
My Upajala name Bansar. Also Upajala name.
My Upajala name is Bansarambur. What's your district name?
My district name is Bangladesh. Also this
My district name is Brahmanbaria. What's your country name?
my country name Bangladesh. Also country name.
My country name is Bangladesh. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.